Wagwan Adau. It's another day, manze. It's your boy Khalid Saich and I'm here with
Mwalimu Pinto.
And guys, today it's a very sad day. We call it Black Wednesday.
A lot has happened today.
A lot has happened today. We lost two legends. And for that, we're gonna take shots, as usual. For the legends. For Baba and for Kimani.
Kimani Mbogo.
Rest in peace. Yeah. So guys, leo manze imekuwa siku mbaya sana. I woke up very early in the morning before you took tea. Yeah. So I woke up very early in the morning and I was scrolling and seeing everyone posting Baba is dead. Raila Odinga is dead. Raila Odinga is dead. Raila Odinga is dead. He died at the hospital of India. Yeah, they're saying it was an heart attack.
Like, okay. Pia sa mwingine anasema so he collapsed akienda juu kwa morning walk.
Yeah.
Kuna speculations nyingi.
Yeah, man. And at the same time, after a few minutes, we received another message saying that Kimani Mbogwa, our reporter on Citizen and NTV, he is no more. Yeah. Wanasema alikuwa rehab. Ni kama alijirusha. I think alijirusha maybe kind of.
Ina suspect
he committed suicide.
Alijitoa uhai.
Yeah. So guys, man, I don't know what is really happening to the nation. People are dying. We are losing people every day. So every minute you are alive, take it
to God
and thank God. Thank God for that. You know, I came to notice we human beings, most of us tunapenda tu kurejesha Mungu. Mbona hujanipea hii? God, I want this. God, I want this. God, I want this. But the best thing to ask God is telling God, thank you for life. Thank you for life. Thank you for everything. Yeah, so Pinto, what do you think about what has happened today as Black Wednesday?
Yeah, for Kenya manze, hata not Kenya, Africa manze, tumepoteza watu great sana cause politician na journalist wao ni wasona kwanga very impactful manze kwa life yetu. So manze, it's a sad day but we just have to accept it shall happen, it may happen.
Yeah.
We sympathize and
Jubila journalist uwezi ona president.
Yeah, exactly.
ama you know.
Exactly. Sure. Was ni crucial sana.
So
but
former prime minister sana. Yeah. Former prime minister, but kusema ukweli mimi nasije kupenda. Juu sije kuchagua. Unaona? Yeah, so I feel sorry for the family but not sorry for you. Yeah.
For me, like you did your part, mazee apia mimi birthday mchagua. Na singewahi but singe wish pia death on you man. I wanted you to ukue pia uone sisi kama vijana tunaweza kuangusha, like tunaweza kuambia but sisi kama Mungu ameamua.
Sisi kama vijana tulishindwa kuangusha. I think God amekuangusha.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, so RIP man. No bad blood. Kimani Mbogwa. I don't know, man. I don't know what was happening. But guys, as I said last episode, normalize checking on people. People here out are going through many things, a lot of things.
Bipolar is real today.
Now, you know, they can't talk it out. They don't have people to talk it out to them, you know, to tell them this is what I'm going through.
Sure.
So guys, normalize checking on people. That's what I'm gonna say. Na mimi naomba Mungu nisiwejiua atujue mawazo.
Guys, tuache ku lose hope man, like
tusilose hope.
Yeah. Itajipa tu. Bado kwa consistent.
Yeah.
Itajipa tu.
Si ati unaona mwenzako kona gari pia utake kupata na ujue ametasekaje ndo ipate.
Exactly.
So whatever you have, thank God. Sure. Actually the first thing I said, thank God for life, because if you have life, tomorrow you will try again to get what you want. Keep pushing man, not giving up man. Me I really mi najua Kimani was going through maybe a lot.
Sure.
Yeah. And sorry for the family. R.I.P. Kimani. Baba, R.I.P. man. And this is what I'm gonna say. Last thing, again and again I say, thank God for life. Thank God for life every day.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So meet you on the next episode. It's your boy Khalid Sergeant Pinto. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, share, comment. See you next time. Adios. Adios churches. Mungu nguvu yetu, ilete baraka kwetu, akiwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na uhuru, amani na undugu, raha tupate na ustawi. Amkeni ndugu zetu.
Goodbye.
So guys, meet you next time. Adios, muchachos.